Hello everybody. Hey, here's my latest mosaic. It's very small. In fact, I think it's the smallest mosaic I've made for a number of years, but it's the simple, small ideas allow for small mosaics, big ideas require big mosaics, right? And it's a single oak leaf, behind which is one of my cheeky birds. I thought he was a thrush, but looking at his beak, he's more like a parakeet, don't you think? And of course you do get brown parakeets. Charlie, who's in Chartres organising my exhibition for me, has said that he looks as though he's been disturbed in the shower and he's quickly put a towel around himself, which I think is a really lovely description and a great metaphor for this piece. Okay, so we've got the oak leaf and the bird, that's all it is. And as usual, there's a verse to accompany it, which goes like this. The mighty oak. I don't consider it to be a joke that this tree is known as the mighty oak, when hundreds of years ago it was born from a single, simple, sweet acorn.